Welcome back, everybody. KC outside. Beautiful day in Pennsylvania. Today I have some uni filter air vents, the round ones that go in a 1-inch hole. We have the DR-Z4s here. I'm going to drill 3 1-inch holes and pop 3 of these in. And of course, most guys nowadays, they're just popping the snorkel out on the top of the air box, and then you can put a piece of foam filter over that if you like, which that's fine. I just always use these on basically every bike that I kind of open up the air box. I always put a few of these in. And you know, once you have them in, say you don't want them, or say these are down the side and you're worried about water the day you're riding, you can just put a piece of tape over the top of them while you're on your ride. Then of course pull them out. If you decide you don't want them, you can throw on another air box, or you just pull them out and you can take a nice piece of tape and put on there and it will seal your air box up. Or say you're trying to tune it, changing the airflow, you can block 1 off, block 2 off, or put another one in, put 4 in. I believe these come in a pack of 6. Of course, I always keep packs around, and I only have 4 of these here, but I'm gonna put 3 down the side of this, and I just have a rag stuffed in the air box. And of course, to get to the air box, you need to of course take your key from your bike, unlock this little section, and you got 1, 2, 3 bolts, which are 1, 2, 3, and then you have 1 Phillips screw in here. Open this up. If you wanted to take this off, you pop 2 little cotter pins there, and then pull these pins out, and of course you can take this air box cover right off. I'm just going to go ahead and drill it. What's nice about, you always want to find a perfectly flat place on your air box so that these snap in very nice. And of course you can glue these in and put some sealant around the sides of these if you prefer. I usually don't, unless I notice one of them is coming loose or maybe going to fall out, then I will glue them in. Now there are some ridges on the back here, but of course you'll drill right through those and it won't be a big deal. So I'm going to go ahead and get the drill here and get drilling. Okay, might be a little tough for you to see what I'm doing here. I'm hoping I can pop 1 in right here. And of course this is a 1-inch hole saw bit right here. I have a hole saw kit. There, we got that popped out. You just take one of these. Now sometimes you got to file around the hole and make it a little bit bigger, which I'm probably going to have to do with this one. It says 1-inch hole, and this is a 1-inch bit, but sometimes they just need a little working. I prefer them to have a very snug fit. You could even put a little grease around there to help them slide in also. Plus it seals them off. There, that one is in right there, super snug. And these of course have a little filter. You can actually oil this filter and take it out and clean it if you prefer. You just gotta watch. I've had an occasion sometimes these can vibrate out on a ride. So you want to make sure you position these so that when you shut this door, you don't want them in here because then they'll be right against the air filter. You want them kind of on this far end as possible. You could even fit one in here if you were so inclined. I'm gonna do 2 more right here. Like I said, guys are gonna say, well, what about water? You ride in the water? Well, I mean, you gotta be in deep water. Like I said, if I know I'm gonna be in something that deep, I will just cover these up with some tape or pop them out and put tape on if there's a danger of that somewhere that I'm riding. But I've never had an issue with that. I may actually, I think I'm gonna put the other one up here. Will still give it pretty good airflow. I'm gonna do one up here. The plastic piece is stuck in there. Here, and keep your center hole, glue it back in if you want. Okay, another one. Ream this bitch out. Of course, make sure you clean off all your little pieces of plastic around the edge here. You don't want them in your air box, and plus you want a tight fit. Who doesn't like a tight fit? I think a pack of 6 of these is like 15 bucks. Okay, number 2 in. I might just run it with those 2 and see what I think. If I feel like I need to get more. I don't have a tuner on this bike, so is that in the works, or maybe a reflash? Yeah, I'll do a plug check here one of these days when I feel like taking the tank off and doing a plug check and see how it's burning with my pipe on here. But that's what I'm going to do right there. And these fit in really tight. I'm not going to put any sealant around them. And if I do a third one, I will do it down here. There's just not room to do it here. Had to do it like right down here. I will put it in. Right now I'm just going to go with the 2. And we will try that out. See how that works. And then if you're washing it or something, you can just put a piece of tape over them real quick and then pull it off. Look at that. This bike's disgusting. I'm gonna have to freaking clean this off. That's a shame. That's all skanky. Jeez, look at that. Then maybe I'll go home and have some Spam. Oh, God. Who doesn't like Spam? Maple flavored too. That's gonna be some good stuff, boy. Clean all this shit. Of course, it was smart of me to lay my side panel down here so that when I drilled, everything fell on top of it. That's probably what y'all want to do, is let that lay there so all kind of crap gets on it and makes it a mess. Okay, so quick little mod. You can use them if you want, or if not, pop your snorkel out. The snorkel tends to be a little bit noisier, like up under your seat whenever you pull snorkels or open up snorkels. When you put these in, even if you do like 4 or 5, they don't seem to kind of create the noise that it does when you remove the snorkel. So, all right, there you go. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, open up your air box, get on your bike and get outside.